Ayubowan, Namaste, hello, bonjour. Welcome back to another vlog from SG Candid Dreams. I'm Sandali, and from this vlog, I thought of sharing some important details. Maybe it will helpful for you to know how to use a Presto card in Ontario. So no matter wherever the province you're planning to move or you're planning to live in, you can directly go through their websites and check what is the exact card that they will be charging for that particular province you're planning to move, and what will be the fare that they will be charging based on the age categories. So when it comes to Ontario, around Great Toronto area, the Hamilton area and the Ottawa, and also most of the cities in Ontario, we use the Presto card for traveling. So we use it for buses, at the subway, and also for streetcars. I can remember when I moved to Canada back in 2022. As a student, when I got my Presto card, I went to my nearest subway station, which is the Finch subway station, and from one of their fare vending machines, I got my Presto card, and I got it as an adult pass. So I can remember I load funds, and my fare will be for a one way is $3.30. So this fare for a one way will last for 2 hours, and during these 2 hours, no matter whatever the buses I use, and no matter I get my subway or my streetcar, it will be a free transfer. But after 2 hours, if I tap my Presto, again there will be a charge of $3.30. So you can get these Presto cards from various locations. For instance, you can go for your nearest subway stations, and you can get the Presto card from one of their fare vending machines, and also there are Go stations, and there are UP Express, which you can get from one of their ticket vending machines too. As well, there are selected customer service outlets, and there are selected retail stores which you can get a Presto card, and especially like Shoppers Drug Mart, you can get from them too, and you can load funds there itself. I would suggest, if you're somebody who is a student and planning to move to Ontario, you can carry your study permit and you can show them. And because for students, I know that there's a package that you can load funds for the whole month, and you can tap, because you can save money that way as well for the whole student package. So the Presto card is really important when you're traveling, because in Ontario, for buses, for the subway, and also for the streetcars, if you're traveling around downtown, yes, the Presto card is the one that you have to tap when you're entering those public transports, like buses, subway, and the streetcars. So make sure every time you tap your Presto, the reason why, sometimes there are checkers, like the officers can be like they will come and ask for you for your Presto, and they can check like what is the last time that you have tapped your Presto card and whether you have tapped it or not. So yeah, make sure that you're always safe, because the fine, it will be so high, so you don't want to caught for a fine without paying, like without tapping the Presto card when you're traveling. So when you want to load your Presto card, there are multiple ways that you can load. So number one, you can download the Presto app on your phone. So it's really easy, because you can load the funds through online, and you can register your card by the number behind the card, and actually you can select based on your age, because the age, it will be come in different categories, because the children are considered the age between 6 to 12, the youth are considered between the age 13 to 19, and the adult will be considered as age 20 plus. So seniors will be age above 65. So based on the age categories, the fare will be different. Again, province to province, the fare based on the age category, it will be different based on the card that they use for that particular province. So in Ontario, it's the Presto card, and for an adult pass, it will be $3.30 for a one way. So number two, you can load your funds through presto.ca, their website. You can directly go through their website and you can load the funds. And number three, you can go to your nearest subway stations, as I mentioned before, and you can load the funds from one of their fare vending machines, or else there are Go stations and UP Express that you can load the funds from one of their ticket vending machines too. And also there are selected customer service outlets and retail stores, as I mentioned, so you can load the funds from there too, as like Shoppers Drug Mart. um, yeah, so that's the most important thing, because recently they have announced, like, let's say you forget to carry your Presto card, or you have insufficient funds in your Presto card, and that time you don't want to worry, because now you can use your debit card and credit card to tap in buses and also in subways as well as streetcars. They allow for that too. And I always suggest every time carry some change, like currency coins with you, because it will be more handy, because in case if you don't have enough sufficient funds, or if when you're tapping your card or your credit or debit, if it was declined, so you can like pay it from coins too. So when you're inserting coins, when you're putting into the till, make sure that you get a ticket from them, that you can carry as a valid proof, in case as I mentioned before, like if there are officers who come suddenly and ask you for the valid proof, you can show that. So yeah, make sure that you tap your Presto wherever you travel, and every time if you are using coins, make sure that you get a valid proof and keep it with you till your destination, and you can go anywhere you want for the whole 2 hours, and it's free. So I hope this information will be helpful for you if you're planning to move to Ontario, and if you're planning to get your Presto card, so it will help your travels much more easier. And yeah, so there are many more interesting things that I'm planning to bring throughout my vlogs, so stay tuned for more upcoming videos and for more upcoming updates, and I hope you will have a great day, and thanks for watching.